Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Investors&Traders Club.
So these are the stocks I'm going to suggest you to keep in your watch list from 24th Jan to 28th Jan 2022. So the first equity stock I'm going to suggest you is ONGC. Yes, you can see the one day time frame, one day daily chart time frame. So the current price is 163.65. Seeing here in one day time frame, you can see on 7th October there was a double red confirmation, and then from 7th October to over 21st December it has been lost nearly from here it has been lost nearly 18% in 70 days, which is a great sell off. And from you can also see here is a support level, and it have been marched nearly 25% in 30 days. So and now it has given a red confirmation over here, so I'm kind of want to short it. So the target level is 18%, which is the target price is 133, and wait a sec. So you can normally make a chart like this over here, and you can keep a target at 134, and you can keep a stop loss at over this level 4%, and the target is 18%, and the risk reward ratio you can see 4.12%, which is also you can trade in going to 1 hour. You can trade in swing, or you can also trade in intraday for maintaining the support and resistance level. So you can see the 1 hour time frame also you got the red confirmation over here, and also you can check the past candlesticks. So this is my analysis on ONGC, which is good to invest and good to enter right now, so don't miss the choice in ONGC. And going to the second call, that is JSW Steel. This is also this is in a swing pattern where we are going with the support levels. So you can see the support levels over here right now over here. So the thing is it was currently at support level, so I'm thinking it's going to the resistance level in 2 to 3 days. So that's why I'm going long on it over here. You can see the 30 minutes time frame where you got the double green confirmation, so that's why I'm kind of long on it. And also you can also achieve this in maximum in a week, so it's a good to invest in swing right now for this stock. So you can see the kind of target at 709, and the stop loss is at 659. The buying price would be 667. So going to calculating how much return we would expecting, the target return is 6%, 6.3%, and the stop loss is 1.1%, which is kind of 1:5 risk reward ratio, which is also good. So you can see the price levels, the buying price, stop loss, and the target price. So this is my second equity call suggestion. And going to the third equity call suggestion, which is WIPRO. So going to the 1 hour time frame, yeah, over here you can see the double red confirmation over here, and again over here, and again over here yesterday. So I'm kind of shorting it. It was in a huge selling from past few days, so I'm still going with the trend, so that's why I'm shorting it with a minimal loss at 1.1% and a target of 6.86%, which is a 6 reward ratio, 1:6 reward ratio, which is absolutely great for the stocks. And going to the previous candles, you can see the downfall over here, and you can see the downfall, and you can see the, I'm thinking that it was recovering its momentum growth in the past dues from at a time of April to October. It has been growing nearly 90 to 100%, so that's why I'm thinking it's been recovering its huge growth by coming down, and pullback gonna occur soon. But this is my short term point of view in WIPRO. So just stick to your target and stop loss. So because Wipro has a good company potential, but we are shorting it. It's not for a long term, it's just only for short term in a 1 to 2 weeks, that's all. So this is my analysis on it. The target 563, entering price is 605, and the stop loss is 611, remember it. This is my third equity call, and the going to fourth equity call, which is Dr. Reddy's. So you can see on the time frame over this line, you can see the resistance level which is falling, but the support level is strict. You can see the support level has not been changed since September, so that's why. And here also you can see a double green confirmation. In 30 minutes you can see more green confirmations. Yeah, you had only one green confirmation, but it's good because the support level is at its best. So I'm kind of going long on it. So I'm gonna show you the prices over here. So the target price is over here, and the stop loss you can keep over here. This is a main stop loss that I'm not thinking that stop loss gonna hit for this stock. Yep, and you can see the price levels. The buying price is 4501, the target price is 4870, and the stop loss is 4423, which is a good risk reward ratio. This also you can see 8% return and a 1.73% stop loss, which is also a 1:6 reward ratio, risk reward ratio. So this is my fourth equity stock that I'm going to recommend you. And Dr. Reddy Lab has also a good potential stock. You can also go for long term in it. My short term and my long term view on Dr. Reddy's is I am positive in it, I am going long on it. So going to the fifth equity call, which is Hero MotoCorp. So you can kind of see that there was a triangle pattern which has been recently broken. So that's why see you can clearly see the triangle pattern, and here you can see the breakout and double green confirmation, but it didn't give a candlestick confirmation without touching the line. So wait for Monday till the confirmation has been arrived, and then you can enter on it and you can go on it along. But in the 1 hour time frame you can see over here it already has been given a confirmation, so that's why I am suggesting you this stock to trade right now. Right now means which is on 24th Jan, so you can go on it. Wait a sec. Okay, yeah, got it. Yep. So I'm kind of going long on it. You can keep this a short term point of view, or you can also think as a long term point of view, but you can enter in both ways. One day would be better, 1 day time frame. So you can keep a target in long term point of view. You can keep 3611 as a target, and in a short term point of view you can keep a stop loss of maintain the stop loss same for short term and long term views, because it's gonna be good and it's gonna be rewardable. So the long term point of view target is 3611, and the stop loss would be 2548. The buying price is current price 2750, and going to the short term or swing point of view you can keep a target of 2940, and you can keep a stop loss over here which is 2649. It kind of doesn't have a good risk reward in short term, but there was a potential for this stock where you can go long on it, and you can also cannot keep a stop loss, but you will be profitable at the end of the day. So the return would be 7.4%, and the stop loss is 3%, which is 1:2 to risk reward, which is also a not bad thing. Because it has a triangle. Due to the main reason I am suggesting you this call is the stock has gave a triangle pattern breakout. That means the stock gonna reach its target level in less than 1 to 2 months, which is also a 40 to 45 days. So that's the main reason I am suggesting you. See, yesterday it has moved 1.50%, and from now on it's gonna move huge. If it's going in our direction, then it's gonna go huge, move huge in huge amount. So these are the 5 equity stocks I'm gonna suggest you. And going to the option chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is a chart of Nifty 1 hour time frame. You can see the channel pattern breakdown in a downtrend, and it's been currently going down. So I'm kind of shorting it from I'm thinking about shorting it over here, and I'm keeping a target price of 17148, and the stop loss would be above this level 138 points negative. You can trade from this level. If you get a red candle in the next Monday, this Monday, then you can go short it, and it's in our direction and it's in our favor. So this is my analysis. And going to Bank Nifty, so the kind of thing is I'm waiting for a double red confirmation, but you can see here there was a bullish pin bar in a red color. So I'm thinking I'm currently not estimating the Bank Nifty to go down. So I'm just waiting till a little bit of time, so that I can have a red confirmation over here, or either I can have a green confirmation over this level or above this level. So then I'm gonna go long on it. So if not, if I get a red confirmation, then I'm gonna go short on it to a certain level of if I'm gonna short it, I'm gonna short it until over here. You can see 35830, and if it breaks out, I'm then gonna keep it up to 34589. So that's the thing in Bank Nifty. So this is the pre-market analysis of options.
Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club.